In Workamajig, under all of the different areas that are role-based, you're going to have a variety of listings for different reports under the Views section. However, we do also have a full report center under the Everyone selection. What areas that you'll be able to access in that report center is going to vary based on your user rights and what kind of role you play. You'll see that it's broken down into a variety of different areas, like contact management reports. Most of these are going to be based around people who use the CRM in Workamajig. Your project financial reports, with a variety of different analytics that are based around budgets of projects, maybe our time analytics, our realization rates, or seeing if maybe we have some goals set for our labor to have certain percentages of billable versus non-billable time. How well are we doing with our actuals comparing to those goals? Typical traffic-related reports, all your typical AP reporting, and those would include the printing of your 1099s each year, an accrued order detail report in case you're pre-billing any purchase orders or media, and then moving into the AR section, we have your agings, your client statements, and your sales tax analysis reports, among others. Now, if we are a media team and you have media orders in Workamajig, or you're syncing those orders into Workamajig, there's a variety of reports to make sure that you can bill appropriately and see if you have any variances coming in from when the vouchers come in from your media purchases. Most importantly, we think, are those financial reports. And while Workamajig is a regular accounting system, it has some extended areas in it, and that includes 6 different P&L reports. Pretty much unheard of. But because everything's in Workamajig, we can get that kind of reporting detail very quickly whenever we need it. So we do have your standards, balance sheet, corporate profit and loss, trial balance, overhead allocation details, cash flow projections. But then we do also have those P&L statements not only at that standard corporate level, but at a campaign level, 2 variables at the client level, both a detail and a multi-view, and 2 variables at the project level, both a detail and a multi-view. All 5 of these additional P&Ls have 3 different methods of allocating overhead. They're defaulted by hours because that's what all the industry experts recommend, so we certainly want to follow the best practices. And this will give you the benefit of knowing, at a client level, are we servicing any clients? Which of our clients are giving us the best profit margin? Once we put that overhead allocation in, it may not be what you think. And certainly at the project level, giving us the information of knowing what types of projects we do give us the best profit margin. This information is huge for making smart business decisions as you're growing, or simply just to manage more effectively. We also have a full custom report builder in Workamajig, and not everybody will have access to it because, of course, everything is securely driven by your rights. So with your security rights, if you have access to create custom reports, you might have access to variable different security group driven data sets. Not every data set is for everyone. So while you can see I have quite a list of different data sets, not everyone will have access to them depending on their security rights. These are provided because every creative team needs some creative reporting. And we don't want to have to charge our clients every time they want to report, but rather we'd like to provide you with the tools so you can be creating those reports when you need them or when you want them. So when you're using any of these tools in Workamajig, you're going to have backup for it, because that's what we do. We back up our clients. We support you.